it's come to this now. Love has turned to blame. All the words we didn't want to say. Slammed doors and broken bottles, dry tears and foolish pride. Now I'm waiting for the break of day. Over and over we fall. Is it too late to carry on? Maybe the trust is too far gone. Don't wanna throw it all away, but we gotta find just a better way to put our defenses to the ground. I'm not gonna go another round. Who can't love in the line of fire among these trenches and barbed wire? Now we're stuck in silence, no more trust to break. Thoughts are best unspoken anyway. I'm so tired of fighting. I fear I lost my faith. Is there something left for us to say? Over and over we try. Is it too late to carry on? Maybe the trust is too far gone. Don't wanna throw it all away, but we gotta find just a better way to put our defenses to the ground. I'm not gonna go another round. Who can't love in the line of fire among these trenches and barbed wire? Babe, we gotta put the past away. I don't wanna leave if you wanna stay. There's a love that keeps us going on. Is it too late to carry on? Maybe the trust is too far gone. Don't wanna throw it all away, but we gotta find just a better way to put our defenses to the ground. I'm not gonna go another round. Who can't love in the line of fire among these trenches and barbed Don't listen to what everyone else says. Take your time. You're not their mess. Yeah, you might not be at your best, but it's fine. I don't mind telling truths when you need to hear them, and be kind when that's what you prefer. How about when you can't see a way out, help you fight and let you know that it won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face, visit Paris or Broadway, and chill out on Sundays. this the wrong way. I'm on your side through the worst days. I just have to say I miss my best friend. Seeing her smile, still I don't mind telling truths when you need to hear them. And be kind when that's what you prefer. How about when you can't see a way out, help you fight and let you know that it won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face, visit Paris or Broadway, and chill out on Sundays. Stop, just hold on a minute. This part is nearly finished. You'll get a fresh start. So count to 10, take a deep breath. This is the only way you'll ever find out that it won't